Have you ever been scrolling through TikTok comments and suddenly, bam, someone drops an actual photo instead of just plain text? You're not alone if your first thought was, wait, how did they do that? Well, what if I told you there's a hidden trick to unlock this feature, even if it's not officially available in your country? And yes, it works on both iPhone and Android. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to post pictures in TikTok comments step by step, no matter where you are. Most people skip a crucial step and wonder why it's not working. But you won't make that mistake because I'll walk you through it all. So stay with me till the end. You're just minutes away from unlocking a feature that'll definitely make your comments stand out. Alright, let's get straight into it. First off, this works perfectly on both Android and iPhone. So whatever device you're using, you're good to go. Now, open your App Store if you're on iPhone or the Play Store if you're on Android. Make sure your TikTok app is fully updated to the latest version. This step is critical. If you skip it, the rest won't work. Next, go ahead and open TikTok. Tap on your profile icon, then look at the top of your profile page and click the small drop-down arrow. From here, tap on Add Account. Now this is very important. Don't use your current TikTok account. If you want this method to work, you'll need to create a new account. Tap on Continue with Google. But wait, here's the part that most people completely miss. Right below that button, you'll see a line that says something like, by continuing with this account located in your country, tap on that country name. For example, if it says Nigeria, tap it and change it to Egypt. Why Egypt? Because TikTok has already rolled out the picture comment feature there, and that little tweak is the key to unlocking it. Now hit Continue with Google and make sure you're using a Google account you've never used on TikTok before. Go ahead and complete the sign-up process. Choose a birthday that's 18 or older. Add a nickname or username. Finalize the account creation. Now that your new account is set up, close the TikTok app completely and then reopen it. Scroll through your feed a little, then go to any video and tap on the comment section. And boom, you should now see the little image icon right next to your comment bar. That's your green light. You can now post actual pictures in TikTok comments, and trust me, that makes your replies stand out in a sea of text. And there you have it. You just learned how to unlock one of TikTok's coolest hidden features. So, did it work for you? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to tell me what country you're trying this from. I love hearing where you're tuning in from, and if this helped, drop a like to let others know it's legit. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications because I've got even more TikTok tricks, hidden features, and app secrets coming your way. Thanks for watching and enjoy flexing those picture comments.